I do pranayam every day.
Oh.
At least minimum thrice a week, I go to my gym. After 7:38 in the evening, I cut down on my meal. I have lighter meals. But I eat till about 10:30, but lighter meals, very light stuff I eat. Don't feel like shooting, you're lethargic, you're not in the mood. It happens, you're a human being, it happens to you. So, this warm water with lime and little adrak, that peps you up, peps me up basically. And I'm ready to go, I'm good to go.
Hi guys, this is Mini Divan and you're watching HealthSiteAndIndia.com, and today I have with me someone you have seen on your television screens, in movies, and has loved his performances, none other than Amar Upadhyay. Hi Amar, how are you?
I'm fine, Mini. How are you? How is everyone there?
All good, and you look stunning as well. And now that we are coming close to year end, the very first question that comes to my mind right now is, how has your year been so far? How did 2021 look to you?
2021 so far has been a fantastic year. It's great. I was working the whole year and Molki for my movie called Bhul Bhulaiya 2, and it was very busy, lovely. I like to be busy. I like working, and the whole year was very busy, and I'm very happy that I was working, and I hope that 2022 also I'm working the whole year.
Wow. Is there something interesting that we can look forward to when it comes to 2022?
See, Molki continues in 2022, and there is lots happening in my own production house, and of course there's a movie in the pipeline which I cannot disclose right now, but there is a big film again. So again, movies
apart from Bhul Bhulaiya.
We wrapped the Bhul Bhulaiya. Bhul Bhulaiya is releasing on 25th of March 2022. So looking forward to that. And I hope the movie does really well for everyone.
Amar, we know that you are really a fitness freak and you are totally into fitness, and results hamare samne. I just look at you, the way you have maintained yourself all through these years. So what's your fitness routine like?
See, I'm a very early riser. In the morning I get up about 6 o'clock. I'm up. Whether I'm shooting or not shooting. Then, there is one, I like to read a lot about fitness and everything, so that's how I gather all the information about how to keep myself fit. And then there is always a trial and error method with every individual. Something that might suit me, might not suit, somebody else, So I drink a lot of water early in the morning, and then I go for my jog, about 20 minutes jog, then I do my pranayam. I do pranayam every day. At least minimum thrice a week, I go to my gym to work out. Even if I'm shooting or not shooting. If I'm not shooting, then I go at least 5 times a week. But if the shooting schedule is tight and I'm shooting every day like daily soap, then at least I make sure that I go 3 times a week. It's not fixed time, but maybe early in the morning, maybe after my shoot, late in the night. Or I make sure that twice a week I'm in the gym. So, but eating wise, what I say, I eat everything. I'm a foodie. I love food. I koi parhez nahi hai. I eat everything. I'm a vegetarian by the way. So only veg, but सब कुछ खाता हूँ, दबा के खाता हूँ, ठूस के खाता हूँ. But after 7:38 in the evening, I cut down on my meal. I have lighter meals. But I eat till about 10:30, but lighter meals, very light stuff I eat. But till about 7 o'clock, I hog. I eat like nobody's business.
Wow.
मैं सब कुछ, अब मैं वड़ा पाव भी खाता हूँ, मैं समोसा भी खाता हूँ.
तो वो जाता कहाँ है? दिखता तो नहीं है.
फिर मैं सुबह उठता हूँ, I feel guilty and I run in the park. I run in the park in the morning. So when I eat all this, there's the motivation to remove all that fat from my body. कहीं पर आ गया तो वो सुबह I feel guilty and I run. And then that's been my routine from last 15-20 years.
But no matter what, even if you're shooting, you will go for a jog, right? Or your pranayam.
Yeah. At least minimum 5 to 6 times a week I run. If I don't go to gym, it's fine, but I have to run. I run.
And ऐसा कुछ है इन सभी चीजों में से where you feel like this was a game changer for me in terms of fitness. Is routine ne
Yeah, see, one thing is you have to, have the stamina of runner's stamina. That's very important too. That, that doesn't tire you in the whole day of, I'm like, we actors are standing for 10, 12 hours a day.
Yeah.
So you need stamina for that to do that every day.
Yeah.
So running helps me personally, gives me the strength. Okay, so I don't get very easily touched wood. No, I don't get. Plus, drinking a lot of fluids, a lot of water. You drink water, like maybe lukewarm water a lot, to keep that mentally, to keep yourself, fit, the whole day. There are times when you don't feel like shooting, you're lethargic, you're not in the mood. It happens, you're a human being, it happens to you. So, this warm water with lime and little adrak, that peps you up, me up basically. And I'm ready to go, I'm good to go. About 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I have that. I have a lot of green tea, 2 or 3 green teas a day, with lime again in it. So I take a lot of lime. And since childhood, my family is crazy about lime. So we eat a lot of lime, by the way. A lot of water, we drink. My father, who is 75, looks 60, 65. So it's hereditary. I can say
it's in the genes.
in my family. It's in my genes as well.
Wow. But
so all these things, when one wants to, one can't follow blindly what I'm doing. One has to try and on themselves and see what suits them, basically. You have to do that as well.
But ऐसा कुछ है, since we were talking about lime, adrak in water, ऐसा कोई और घर का देसी नुस्खा which you swear by, like you are like, ये तो मेरा दिन का पार्ट है बहुत.
नहीं, वही मैं बोलूँ, मेरा जो पानी पीने का रूटीन है, जो मेरा बहुत सालों से, यही मेरा एक मंत्र है, और कुछ बेसिक नहीं है. और जॉब करना, पानी पीना, और मैं खाने के लिए टाइम ही भी नहीं देखता हूँ. When I'm hungry, I eat. When I don't hungry, I don't eat. That again is very important thing. People like लोग बोलते हैं, मम्मी ने बोला यार 1 बजे खाना खा लो. टाइम के हिसाब से खाना खाते हैं लोग. ये भी बहुत गलत बात है. टाइम के हिसाब से खाना नहीं खाना. आपके पेट के हिसाब से, मतलब when you're hungry, eat properly, stuff yourself, fine, but only when you're hungry. Not because 2 बज गया, खाना बन गया है, अभी खाना ही पड़ेगा, वरना वो काम वाली बाई आएगी, फिर हमको बर्तन करने पड़ेंगे, तो बिना घर से चली जाएगी. ये भी बॉम्बे में ये बहुत है, in Mumbai. So don't eat like that. Eat when you're hungry. Eat as much as you want. You can sometimes overeat also. That's वो ही चलेगा. लेकिन you have to eat when you're hungry. That is also one mantra you should remember. ये भी एक काम की चीज है.
True. But अगर मैं आपसे ये पूछूं कि what is your ideal cheat meal like? A vada pav or a chole bhature? Which person are you?
I am vada pav guy. पूरा मुंबई कर पाया.
पूरा मुंबई
कर. मुंबई में आज मैं वड़ा पाव, मैं मतलब मैं मॉडलिंग के लिए पूरे बॉम्बे में, साउथ मुंबई में जब घूमता था, फोटोग्राफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए, मुझे काम दो, मुझे ऐड दो. तो दैट टाइम आई शुड नेवर टेक डब्बा इनको, बिकॉज ट्रेन में जाना, मुंबई की ट्रेन, गर्दी वाली ट्रेन में जाना, फिर डब्बा लेके कहाँ घूमता रहूं. यू कांट टेक डब्बा. सो वड़ा पाव इज माय सेवियर. वड़ा पाव और 2 केले खा लो, तो यू आर स्टफ्ड. So you are just up 11 o'clock, you leave house, then you have nashta, leave house, then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock you have vada pav and 2 kela, and so by 5 o'clock, before the agencies close, ad agencies, you are okay. Then 6:30 train pakdo, and then 7 o'clock you are at home. So that is to be my everyday routine. I am the vada pav.
Wow.
So vada pav is favorite.
वो hands down वड़ा पाव, vote goes to वड़ा पाव. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, ऐसा कुछ मीठे में गुलाब जामुन या आइसक्रीम पर्सन?
No, I am a Gujarati and I love बासुंदी. It's my favorite. मतलब मैं कभी डाइटिंग नहीं करता, लेकिन मैं खाने में कंट्रोल रहता है मेरा 7 बजे के बाद. लेकिन अगर बासुंदी सामने रख दो तो मैं खाना भी नहीं खाता. मैं बासुंदी 4-5 बड़ी वाली खा जाता हूँ. तो एक मेरी बहुत बड़ी कमजोरी है बासुंदी.
Yes. चलो अभी कुछ भी किसी को मनाना हो, अमर को, या तो सबको पता है, बासुंदी ले आओ बस सामने. He'll be happy.
I swear, Basundi is my go to
dessert. Wow. Chalo, that's fab. We didn't know that. But जाते कोई final tip for all the viewers who's listening? कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? देखो,
I always believe health is wealth. especially in my industry for actors, especially who are in front of the camera, क्योंकि आपका ये जो है ये ही बिकता है बेसिकली. सो द वे यू कैन, जिन लोगों को एक्टिंग इंडस्ट्री में आना है तो पहले फिटनेस पे बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. आजकल तो बहुत अवेयरनेस ज्यादा हो गई है, हर किस्म के ऐप आ गए हैं. सो यू टेक केयर ऑफ फिटनेस, कम व्हाट मे, डोंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर फिटनेस एंड ईट हेल्दी, ईट वेल. एंड जो भी आप एक सिस्टम रूटीन बनाओ जो आपको सूट करता है, तो फिर उससे आप करते रहो हमेशा. आप जो भी चीटिंग डेज होते हैं उसको छोड़ के, चीटिंग डेज को छोड़ के बाकी आप अपनी रूटीन पे लगे रहिए. सॉरी, एंड बिलीव दैट यू लुक गुड एंड कीप स्माइलिंग ऑल द टाइम. कीप लाफिंग, एंजॉय योरसेल्फ, एंजॉय योर लाइफ.
Smile is the most powerful weapon, as they say.
Absolutely, the only free thing, the best thing in the world is smile.
That's it. Thank you so much, Amar. I think this has been very, very insightful. I had fun talking with you. I think so did you.
Yeah. I did, absolutely. Thank you so much, Mini, for having me on your show.
Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Thanks a lot.